Oh, I got what I needed to see, bro. The man's in trouble. Y'all can have him pick. Y'all can think he the shit. Y'all can think he that and this. The man's in fucking trouble. Let's fucking go. Let's go.
People will die starting tonight. I'm a man of my word.
Walkout.
Those low cap kicks, you can't change luck. In his fighting instinct.
We'll see if Jamahal Hill, the Gracie Jiu just about ready to engage for the UFC Light Heavyweight.
And we still got this.
Incumbent, the champ, Alex Pereira.
Jamal earlier in the week, he said, while those
Jamahal Hill to get
did it in like 10, but he said when he was able to use his whole body, he went
nice body kick.
lunges.
And real one punch tall.
He's a southpaw. So Pereira's not just popping that kick out there.
Hill goes down.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, he 190. So he caught on the nuts. Hook again. Boom, boom.
Technique. This dude, man.
Jamal.
From him, I told him everyone the whole time, the kicks, but I was gauging the distance and the timing and everything.
So when he came in here, he felt like
I step in the octagon, I don't see myself as a champion. I felt every time to become the champion, I don't let it go to my head ever.
Mark my words when I say this. There will be no, I do not plan on taking him down. I do not plan on wrestling him. I plan on going in there in where y'all think he's just this otherworldly guy. Whenever I do fight him, standing, I will knock him out. And when I do, I'm going to rub it in every single one of y'all face.
Pretty clear. Alex was a 2-division glory champion because I didn't kickbox, right? But I mean, he's a 2-division UFC champion because I got hurt.
Just getting acquainted with the visual that I plan on seeing on Saturday night.
It don't mean nothing to me. The kickboxing background means nothing to me. Absolutely nothing. Because I understand fighting, I understand every style. I've trained in every style and I've mastered every style.